So hello guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm going to teach you all guys the to-look OLL. So first of all I'll tell you all guys that what is CFOP. So after learning the beginner's method, you need to learn an advanced method CFOP to decrease your time. CFOP consists of four things. First is cross, then F2L, then OLL and lastly PLL. So CFOP is of two types. First is beginner CFOP and second is advanced CFOP. So today I'll teach you all guys the to-look OLL. That means you can also say it beginner OLL. So let's start. So first of all I'll tell you all guys that how to make a cross. I have already taught you all guys how to make a cross in my how to solve a Rubik's Cube video, but still I'll explain you about that in short. So there are four cases to make a cross. First is the dot case, where you get this dot, yellow dot. Second is this L case, where you get this L. Third is this line case. And lastly, fourth is the cross case. Here you already get a cross. So let's go back to the dot case. So when you get a dot case, what you have to do is keep this layer from any direction you want and apply this algorithm F R U R prime U prime F prime. When you will apply that algorithm on a dot case, you will get the L case. You can get that from any direction. So what you have to do is that keep this L like this and apply that algorithm once again. F R U R prime U prime F prime. Then you will get a line case. So what you have to do is keep that line horizontal and apply that algorithm once more. F R U R prime U prime F prime, and finally you will get the cross. So now comes the algorithms of the to-look OLL. So in to-look OLL, what we will do is just see the situation, and then we will apply an algorithm and the upper face will get oriented. So let's begin. This is our first case where we get one yellow corner already oriented. So first of all what you have to do is bring this oriented corner on the right or on the left. So here I will put it in the right, and we can spot the difference over here that in this case the yellow side is facing towards us, but here the yellow part is facing towards the left. So first we will understand this case. So when you put it in right and you see that the yellow part is facing towards the left, what you have to do is just simply do a U move. Just bring this oriented corner to the left and you will see that the yellow part is facing towards us. So just keep it in this position and apply this algorithm. R U R prime U R U2 R prime. So as you can see, the yellow side is oriented. Now let's go to that case. So this is its second part, where you can see that we have got this yellow already facing towards us. So what we have to do is apply just keep it like this only and apply this algorithm. L prime U prime L U prime L prime U2 L, and as you can see the yellow face is oriented. So these were This was our first case. So these are our next cases where you can see that we have got no yellow corner oriented, but we can see headlights. Headlights means that we get these two colors same over here. So we can see these two headlights, but these both cases are different. As you can see, here are headlights, but if we go at the opposite side, in one case we will get headlights over here also, but in the another case we'll get these yellow parts facing opposite to each other. One is facing the on of the right and one is facing left. So let's first understand this case first, where we get headlights over here and headlights at the opposite of it. So what you have to do is just keep any headlight part on your side and apply this algorithm. F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime F prime, and as you can see the yellow face is oriented. So now let's check the another one. So this is that other case where we have got headlights over here, but here one part is on the left and one yellow part is on the right. So what we have to do is keep this yellow headlight over here on our left and apply this algorithm. And as you can see, the yellow part is oriented. So let's go to the another case. So this is our next case where we are getting these two corners already oriented, but they are opposite to each other and are in a diagonal way. So what we have to do in this case is first we have to check that if we get a yellow part of this unoriented corner facing towards us. Yes, we are getting the yellow part facing towards us, but sometimes what will happen that you will not get the yellow part. So what you have to do is just do U2 and you will get the yellow part. Then you have to do the X rotation. X rotation means to flip your cube 90° up. So we have to do X rotation, and now we will apply this algorithm. And as you can see, the yellow part is oriented. So these are our last cases where we are getting these two corners already oriented, but they are next to each other. But these both cases are different. As you can see that in one case we are getting this headlight, but here they both are facing opposite to each other. So first we will understand this case. So as you can see, this yellow part is facing towards the right and this is facing towards the left. So what we have to do is keep these two in our left, at our left side, and we have to do the X rotation again before applying the algorithm. So now we will do this X rotation and now we will apply this algorithm. And as you can see, the yellow face is oriented. So this is our last case where we are getting this headlight. So what we will do is keep this headlight facing towards us and we will apply this algorithm. And as you can see, the yellow face is oriented. So these were all the cases of the 2-look OLL. It was very easy, and my new videos are coming soon. So see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.